What is good, Cardano fam, ADA gang? We have lots of exciting updates to unpack today, so hit that subscribe, hit that like. Cardano ADA 24-hour trade volume surpasses $1.7 billion according to CoinGecko. CoinMarketCap ranks Cardano as the 6th most bullish community sentiment at over 92%. This is super exciting, guys. Senate Banking Committee Chairman Tim Scott will host a roundtable on the future of digital assets, including Cardano ADA founder Charles Hoskinson, where they will discuss regulatory clarity, market-based compliance, and advancing responsible innovation this Thursday morning, July 17th. So we've seen the close friendship between Tim and Charles, and it's fantastic that this will take place very soon. The Federal Reserve deploys ISO 20022 for Fedwire, its real-time settlement system for banks, processing over $4.6 trillion every day, upgrading its compliance, messaging, and global interoperability, among more. And lest we forget, Cardano, XRP, and a few other blue chips are ISO 20022 compliant, making them ready, prime, for seamless integration with TradFi. If that wasn't enough, Mercurity Fintech, registered on Nasdaq under ticker MFH, launches its $500 million DeFi Basket Treasury, including ADA, BNB, ETH, SOL, and XRP, marking its entry into institutional-grade, high-utility, yield-generating DeFi ecosystems. They intend to acquire these assets via existing cash reserves and future fundraising. Midnight Network partners with ARIO, a permanent cloud network with over 775,000 active users and over 16.1 billion transactions, to offer confidential smart contract storage with selective disclosure without compromising on security or decentralization. And the goal here is to create robust, privacy-enhancing access to data on Midnight and Arweave. Great to see a lot more partnerships being announced. Input-output advances Leios closer to a CIP-ready variant, proving its viability at 1000 TPS. We saw that recently. Completing deep attack surface analysis, modeling input block adversarial conditions for Rust simulation, and achieving triple the performance via memory tuning. So they continue to refine the simulations, they continue to do more testing. We're getting closer to integration. World Mobile surpasses 3.4 million WMTX for its total buyback balance, worth over $3.1 million at its all-time high. I think people are sleeping on this project, a blue chip deep in project. And lest we forget, WMTX, when it comes to DEX trading, is mostly on Cardano DEXs. Hedera co-founder Dr. Leemon Baird thanks Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson for congratulating Hedera, and he says a real highlight has been the collaboration with Charles on DRec Alliance. Cardano's Leios wallet launches version 1.243 update with improved stability, improved synchronization of larger wallets, and improved Bitcoin fee precision for smaller transactions. Plus, DRep ID will now be shown when signing with a DRep key via CIP-ready. So good to see the continued improvements. Rosen Bridge. This was highly anticipated. It's now live. They have launched Dogecoin cross-chain swaps on Cardano, Ergo, Ethereum, and BNB Chain. Big shout out to Ergo for the fundamentals, the ethos of crypto, and having this cross-chain support is fantastic. More checkpoints, more users, more options. Lovely. Cardano's Tokyo wallet launches a custom theme for Nike, says he's a good pig. I agree. He's definitely a good pig. Paul Barron highlights Cardano's surge in price performance, saying that it has a strong correlation with Bitcoin, suggesting that ADA benefits from broader market sentiment as one of the top 5 coins. So that's true. There is a strong relationship, UTXO, extended UTXO, and I think more and more people are kind of connecting the dots. So what else is going on? Well, it's crypto week. U.S. Senate Banking Committee calls to create clear regulatory framework to ensure that America becomes the crypto capital of the world. More big purchases. Michael Saylor announcing Strategy has acquired over 4,200 BTC, almost $500 million. So the buys keep coming in. Metaplanet buys another nearly $100 million worth of Bitcoin, and they're holding almost $2 billion. So the market's looking good. I know a lot of comments I see on X and YouTube, people are upset why we're not above $1, but whether it's altcoins, different altcoins, Bitcoin, things don't always move in parallel. So we're still waiting for Russell 2000 index to reclaim its highs above 2,300. We're still waiting for Bitcoin dominance to tumble further to the 50s, maybe high 40s. And so yes, Bitcoin is high, but we still haven't reached that point where it's like exhausted with upside potential, and then people are looking more into the other projects. But we are seeing the hints. When we see more of these treasuries and more of these announcements, people are going more risk on via, all these projects going public, all the baskets, all the indexes, all the ETFs. So we're seeing it. It will be slow and then it will be sudden. So just something to keep in mind. We don't get a warning from the market saying, hey guys, it's time to buy. That conviction, nobody can buy or rent conviction. So that's why it's important to really have a deep understanding of why you are in whatever project it might be. And I think ADA and XRP are going to be some of the best performers this altcoin season. So I think the shout out definitely goes out to, this is underrated. This is huge. It's great that we are having this ISO 20022 compliance. We're ready. But particularly, I would say I'm super excited for this to take place at the Senate Banking Committee, having Charles. So I don't know exactly which building it's going to take place, but nonetheless, he's going to be there. He's going to be on television. It's going to be fantastic, and we will cover that. So let me know what you guys think about Charles being in Washington, D.C. to speak alongside Chairman Tim Scott. Smash that subscribe, smash that like. I'll see you guys in the next Angry Crypto Show.